Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Paul Valdez, and thank you for joining me in the Do Not Be Afraid of Watercolor series. Today we're going to focus on watercolor paints in general, then I'll show you what brands and colors I use. There are so many brands out there: Windsor Newton, Daniel Smith, Holbein, Sennelier, Rembrandt, to name a few, some of the top brands. And I've used all of those at one time or another. A lot of the top brands also have a student grade, and they're just fine if you don't want to shell out a lot of money at the very beginning when you're learning how to do watercolor. Van Gogh is a brand that I recommend to a lot of my students. It's a decent paint for the price. I also encourage you to get tubes rather than pans or cakes. These are the three size of tubes that most watercolors come in: 37, 15, and 5 milliliter tubes. I use a lot of certain colors, as you see in the corner. And what I do is I'll take a little bit of this and I'll squeeze it out, and then I will give it a spray. And what I'll do is I'll use my palette knife to then mix it, make sure that the water and the paint are all mixed, and get it nice and creamy again so that I can be ready to use it at any time. When you attend a workshop with different artists, a lot of them will actually encourage you to buy a particular brand of watercolor paint, and that does get expensive, but it actually gives you an opportunity to experiment and try different brands and see what you like. There are so many colors out there. I have 20 in front of you, and I'll show you my palette. This is just a representation. So this is what I have here. Starts with a Windsor Newton Aqua Green, neutral tint, which is just a gray tint that you can use to tint everything. We'll go through that later. Windsor Newton Blue, Cerulean Blue, Cobalt Blue, Ultramarine Blue. Over here we start with Permanent Rose. To the right is Bright Rose, Bright Violet, Pyro Red, Cobalt Violet, Viridian, Turquoise, Blue Green, Windsor Newton Transparent Yellow in the corner. And then coming down we have Burnt Sienna, Rossi, and a Yellow Ochre, Catio Deep, Catio Light, and Lemon Yellow. Well, that's it for today. Hope that helped a little bit. I would ask if you would please make sure that you share this video if you know of anyone that would like it, and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.